Glacier Walks, a step-by-step adventure. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the English language, glacier walks. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds a world of meaning and adventure. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means. First, let's break down the phrase. A glacier is a large mass of ice, formed from snow falling and compacting over many years, that moves very slowly over land. They are often found in polar regions and high mountains. Understanding what a glacier is will help us appreciate the term glacier walks better. The word walks here doesn't just mean a casual stroll. It refers to a guided trek or journey across a glacier. These walks can vary in difficulty, from easy walks suitable for beginners to more challenging treks for experienced adventurers. Glacier walks are a unique experience. They allow people to witness stunning landscapes, learn about geology and climate change, and challenge themselves physically. It's not just a walk, it's an educational and adventurous journey. A crucial aspect of glacier walks is safety. Since glaciers can be dangerous with crevasses and unstable ice, it's important to go with experienced guides and proper equipment. This ensures a safe and enjoyable experience. Sometimes, glacier walks is used metaphorically. It can signify taking a slow, steady, and careful approach to a challenging task, much like walking cautiously on a glacier. I hope this video helped you understand the phrase, glacier walks, better. It's a term that captures both the beauty and challenges of exploring these majestic ice formations. Remember, every language learning journey is like a glacier walk, steady, exciting, and wonderfully rewarding. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.